Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg, and believe it or not, it's been 37 straight Sundays that we have posted a video for you guys, starting on October 5th all the way through this past Sunday. I have a lot in store. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna talk a little bit about the wheels that are on the truck. I finally have the T300 wheel from TREX wheels for my full-size spare. So I will unbox this. I'm gonna show you, talk a little bit about the wheel, the weight, the dimensions, everything you need to know, because that is the most common question asked on the channel. What setup do you have on the truck? What lift, what wheels and tires? Well, we're gonna talk about it today. So let's go. All right, guys, so the TREX T300 off-road wheel. I love mine. As you guys have seen in all my videos, I've had them on since what, early January time frame. They look great. I like the matte black. I like the less wheel, more rubber look. I have 35-inch tires on, but a 17-inch wheel. So I love them. They look awesome. Super sleek wheel. They are very lightweight. I will actually get a weight for you guys from their website, and then I'll test it. I'll weigh it and see how accurate that is. Actually, their website doesn't even say. The wheel itself has this ribbed fitting right where the tire is going to sit. It's called bead knurling. So basically what that does, it gives the tire something to grip onto. Cool little feature that it has there. On the back side, they have these cutouts that are basically reducing the weight of the wheel. So it allows for the wheel, obviously, to be lighter for one. And then again, it has the bead knurling all around the perimeter on the back side as well. So awesome looking wheel, serves its purpose for off-road without adding too much weight. Obviously, the rubber of the tires, 35 or bigger, maybe 37 in the future. Actually, definitely 37 in the future. Adds a lot more weight. So you got to reduce weight somehow. I couldn't be happy. I'm gonna get a weight on this wheel, so gotta get my scale turned on, let it calibrate to 0. Let's see, 23.4 pounds. And let's see what it says on their website. Actually, their website doesn't even say, it says NA. But I can say it is a lighter wheel. This was much lighter than the stock ZR2 wheels. Unfortunately, I don't have that weight either. I can put that in the description below and in the comments for you guys to read. Now we got to get it mounted in the tire. So we're going to head down the street to Big O Tires, get it mounted in our tire that's sitting there waiting for us, and then we'll be good to go. Guys, before we head down to Big O Tires, got an awesome package here from General Motors. Thank you guys at GM for sending this out. I was blown away from you guys reaching out in the first place. I really appreciate the support, and I will be sure to tag you guys in this and share more content for you guys. So let's get to opening. A little personalized note here. New hat, American flag with the Chevy emblem. Gotta love that, that's pretty cool. Chevrolet, gotta hang your keys somewhere, so that's pretty cool as well. Save the best for last. I see something in here that I really like. Gotta wait for it to cool down out here though. Silverado frame. A Peter Millar hoodie. If you guys don't know, golf apparel, I should say. Pretty popular name in golf apparel right here, Peter Millar. It was nice. Chevy hoodie, pretty plain and simple. I love the color gray. My wife knocks on me all the time for being all gray Greg. I'm wearing all gray right now. This is gonna get a lot of use. Thank you guys at GM. This is awesome. Couldn't be happier, and yeah, can't wait to share more content with you guys. Quick, easy video, guys. The Big O tire. They mounted the TREX T300 for me. The 17 by 8.5 plus 0 offset. So if you guys look at my setup, I have a poke ever so slightly from the fender or the bed sides, and I do have a little bit of rubbing very minor. We'll get to that in a future video. This setup is what I've been rolling with since January. Don't plan on changing it anytime soon. Again, the TREX T300. Go get yours. Discount code The Blue Garage. TREXwheels.com. Links will be down below. So now that we have this all mounted, everything's good to go. I now have a full-size spare. I can be safer out there on the trail. Now I need a jack and other tools for off-roading. But we'll get there, guys, step by step. I hope you guys can track the progress and have seen the progress on your end. Day by day, we are making a lot of steps to be safer out there off-road. So let me know what you guys want to see next for off-road safety. Full-size spare, we got it, we're done. I'll strap it down. Charvonia design D-rings in that billet blue, gotta love it. And I got this strap, I'll put this in the link below, off of Amazon. It's from Baja kits. Just making sure everything is centered over the hub. We are good to go. Give it the tug. Make sure you say, that's not going anywhere. You're good to go. Full-size spare, done. A lot of you guys probably are curious why I didn't mount it standing up to save more room in the bed. I do have the tonneau cover. I want to keep it that way. So yes, it does take up a lot of space in the bed. However, for what I use it for and what I have been using it for, this is gonna do good for me. So thanks guys for tuning in to another video installing the TREX T300 full-size spare on the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Another job well done. 38 weeks in a row, and we are climbing, gaining ground on 5,000. We're at 4,600 right now, right around the corner from 5,000. So thank you guys for helping me and Daniel get this far. Let's see where we can get in the next couple weeks. Take care, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you guys next time.